Alright, good evening, box breakers. JC Collectibles here, bringing another box break. Tonight we'll be breaking into 2012-13 Panini Limited. As you can see, we have a sealed box. And the serial number will be 50648. In our last auction, as posted, this is our Winnipeg Jets listing that just closed. 50648 is the serial number. I'll scroll up. Last auction closed at March the 16th, 2015 at 6:54 p.m. Our live eBay time is, refresh, March the 16th, 2015 at 17:59 Pacific Standard Time. Get into it. Okay, while I open this box, I just want to let you guys know that we have a case break closing here in the next week or so for 2011-2012 Panini Elite case that will break on March the 28th at 1:30 p.m. on Breakers TV, JC Collectibles. Still plenty of teams left, so go ahead and check them out or buy it now. Best offers. Empty box. So this box consists of one pack and 7 cards. Good luck, everyone. We got a little furry thing hanging out, so we'll find that out, whatever that is, in a minute. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, base card, Marc-Andre Fleury, numbered to 299. And again, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, base card, James Neal, numbered to 299. And for the Dallas Stars, which you are the one with the dangler, Phenoms, Brendan Dillon, numbered 274 of 499. And I am not going to take the dangler off, but if you so wish to when you receive the card. And for the St. Louis Blues, monikers, Alex Pietrangelo, numbered 83 of 99. And for the Ottawa Senators, Jacob Silverberg, freshman jumbo patch, jersey numbered 172 of 199. So get that serial number. And for the New Jersey Devils, Back to the Future card of Adam Henrique and Joe Nieuwendyk, numbered 45 of 199. Let's see if I get this to zoom. Come on. There we go. Focus. And the serial number is right there in the top middle. And for the Calgary Flames, Mika Kiprusoff, silver base card, numbered 42 of 49. Well, that concludes our break. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful evening.